Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LINU. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice move here for the bulls. Big volume and nice price reaction. So let's first start by talking about some areas of support. The ideal level of support going forward, I mean, hey Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest is if 40 cents can continue to hold. I say continue because I think we can all agree quite a bit of price congestion right around that area. Sure, a couple times it didn't quite hit 40 cents. A couple other times it went slightly below 40 cents. So just kind of trying to find a common ground. 40 cents, definitely that ideal level. Now, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can continue to hold up above there, that would certainly be best case scenario for the chart going forward. Taking a step back, though, and looking at the big picture of things and really just kind of simplifying, the very logical question of, hey, how can we measure the health of this move right here? How can we do that? Well, easy way to do that is just to keep an eye on the purple line down there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is going to continue to move its way upwards and look something like that. So circling back to that question, hey, how can we measure the health of the move? Simply put, as long as the price remains above that purple line going forward, then the bulls are in full health, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue to fight forward, where are some of these key battlegrounds at? Now, I realize the price went a little bit higher than what I'm going to talk about, but key level that really stands out to me right here at 55 cents. Again, I realize the price technically went above it, but as far as, the main point, you can see on two different occasions, both there and there, the bulls could not quite get up above that area. So to me, 55 cents is kind of that quote-unquote true area of resistance. Meaning if they can break that on a good high volume break, then in my opinion, it'll only be a matter of time before the price probably, gets at least makes a run up into the 60s. But one step at a time. First got to, build a higher base and then get through that 55 cent mark. So all in all, no doubt about it, very nice start to the week. It'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum for the remainder of the week. Still 3 days left. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.